let's welcome the Mocha Girls! Alright! Hindi pa ako mocha. Okay, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Because we want change! Gusto sa pagbago sa Pilipinas, this is the right time because, of course, madamo nga salamat sa halin sa North and South and sa Bacolod nga nagkanto ni Tanan because we believe Tanan ta volunteer! Voluntary ta nagkanto na! And this is because of our love to our future president. And this afternoon, before waiting for the Mocha Girls, gusto namin mabatihan liwat Duterte in 1, 2, 3! Okay! And of course, ang aton presidente mas maging mabaskog because of our vice president, of course, Senator Cayetano, and at the same time, may mga senators kita nga mulog kaugman because of our love. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, of course, damo pa kami i-present sa inyo because later on, we'll have Aisa Sigera again. Ang tanan yung artist, all the artists nga nagkanto di, especially the Mocha Girls, they are free because they love Mayor Duterte! And now, we are all set. Let's welcome once again, the Mocha Girls! Hello, Bacolod City! 1,
我的杀人怪都如